Now, how to hide a photo and video behind a calculator in hideu calculator lock app. Now, to do it, just click on this calculator here, which is called hideu calculator. Now here, enter the password you use while setting it here. Now click on the equal sign to enter it. Now wait for it to open. Now here, you can do it either by clicking this photo icon or this video icon. Now what you do is just click on this file manager here. Now wait for it to open. Now here, click on this plus icon. Now the first one I will show you is how to hide photo. Just click on this plus icon here. Now here, click on photo. Wait for it to open. You can either select the photo here by clicking on this icon, this circle icon on top of the photo here. You see it, and hide it, or go to the folder where you kept the photo by clicking on this top icon here which says all photo here. Now go to the folder where you kept the photo here. Now click on the folder here, select the photo like this. Now click on this hide icon on that section here. Now wait for it to hide. As you can see in the photo icon, it just add one. You see it here, you just add one. You can see it by clicking on it. Now how to hide video, just click on this back arrow icon here on the top side. Now click on this plus icon again. Now here, click on video here. Now here, select the video you want to hide here, or just follow the process by going to the folder where you kept the video. Just click on it like this. Now click on hide here. As you can see, the video folder have just added one. You see it here. You can see it by clicking on it also. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Watch this video on the screen or check it at the description section in order to know how to hide application using this hideu calculator. Now, see you on the next video. Peace.